Today we're going to go through installing a John Deere JD-Link M modem in a Peterbilt 379. This is a later model. I made a video previously on some earlier models, so if this one is newer than yours, go check that one out. I'm going to start with, I've got a lot of stuff already disassembled to speed up the video. Take the few screws out of your glove box, fold it out. You'll have a strip across here kind of covering up these screws. Pull it off, take the screws out, then lay that center part down. Same thing here with your gauges and everything. And then behind there you have a row of ground, switched and unswitched power. So the stuff along where my red wire is, that is unswitched, and then that one is a ground, and then this side here is switched power. I would advise though checking with a meter on your machine. Don't just go off how mine is. And then I route my harness from my modem through here through the glove box, through the dash over to here, and just hook up with that 3-pin power plug. And I'm going to mount this one right back in there a little ways. I'm going to clean off a spot. You can see it's got double stick tape on the back of it, so I'm going to slide it in through the glove box side, and I'm going to mount it in right in there somewhere like that once I clean it up. Just make sure wherever you put it that you can get the glove box and everything all back together, because that tape is very hard to remove. And then you just have to have your John Deere dealer pair your modem to your truck, and then it will show up in your John Deere Operations Center.